Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Janie. Welcome to the new year. I hope you're doing well. We are kicking off 2023 with a Build-A-Bear video. If you're new here, I do videos on Squishmallows, Squishables, Build-A-Bear, Loungeflies, Sanrio, basically anything that I think is cute. Today I'm talking about Sylveon, the very much anticipated last Eevee evolution for Build-A-Bear's collection. And honestly, I only have one other one. I have Leafeon, which I completely forgot I even had until I looked at this Build-A-Bear checklist. So that is not because I don't like Eevee. When I first started working at Build-A-Bear, I think Eevee, the first one, the original one, was just released. And I don't know why I never bought it. I really don't know. I'm a huge lover of Pokemon. My husband especially, probably more than me. So when this one launched, let me start collecting them all. Hopefully that can happen at this point. So we're gonna go through the sounds, the outfits, the pricing, because these Build-A-Bears, I feel like just keep getting more and more expensive. This is hitting stores on the 4th, I believe, but it originally was a bundle online, which is why I couldn't remove any of the outfits. I don't care about the outfits. I don't care about the audio. I miss back in the day when Build-A-Bear used to do Pokemon releases with Pokemon cards. Like that I understand, but the outfits, the sounds is just a way, in my opinion, to raise up that price. So she's a pretty chunky sized bear, so I really love the ears. I'm glad that they for the most part stay up completely, and part of her design has these little ribbony things, so they are velcroed, and you can velcro them. There's different sections, like you can velcro this one to the side of her body, and then there's a bit of velcro. It's pretty well hidden on her ear. Hold on. This is how the picture looks. But it's a Velcro that is not obvious. I mean, the little section on this is obvious, but like on the actual blue part, it's not. So that's good. It still feels smooth and soft. Like when you're cuddling, it's not scratchy material or that irritating material that Christmas tree was when it got in my eye. Super cute design, vibrant colors, very pastel and pretty, fairy Pokemon. You know, the vibes are there. And I think the design is actually pretty good. Sometimes, this is why I stopped collecting Pokemon, is because sometimes I felt like they looked better in the images than they did in person, but I feel like they just keep improving on them. So I think this is beautiful. I didn't put the ribbons on right, guys. It's okay. I'm about to put some outfits on her, so I know she's gonna get all messed up, but there's a little Velcro square, but on the ears, like I said, not super noticeable. Honestly, if I'm being honest with you, I kind of forget how it goes. Okay. So it goes around the ear. Okay, there you go. That's what the picture has it like, but for some reason it's not looking the same on mine. Nonetheless, let's talk about the audio. It's a 5-in-1 sound. I'm gonna get closer to the camera. The sounds are right in this one. It has a little sticker to tell you to press down. I'm gonna press it 6 times. Sometimes I keep thinking they're repeating. We'll see. I'm not the biggest fan of these audios. I think they sound clear, but to me it sounds like a little kid making these voices or these sounds. So let's go. Alright, I think that was 6 times. Let's just do one more for good measure. I don't know. I don't like it. I really don't. I mean, it's cute actually, like if you're a kid, if you're a collector and you want to have all the features, I guess it makes sense. Why do you look like that? Okay. This bundle is $72. Like I said, it comes with the audio that you just listened to. It comes with a cape and a set of pajamas. So let's take a look at that. Here's the cape. It has like those Pokemon designs and fur trim around it. And then of course it velcros on the front. It has a hole for the tail at the base, and it is quite soft. It is quite pretty. Let's put it on. In terms of clothing for Build-A-Bear, I would say that was the easiest one I've done so far. Sometimes I really sit here trying to get this done, but that's what the cape looks like. It goes nicely with the bow in the front. Super nice, super cute. There's the tail. I'm probably gonna like it a little bit more than the sleepers. Next item is a sleeper set. So again, it's like a pretty saturated pink. Has some Pokemon designs in the background. Again, Velcro. It has a hole for the tail. Here's what the tag looks like. These are the ones that get me when I'm putting it on. But we're gonna do that right now. It's on. I don't love it as much as the cape. I just feel like the pink is clashing like with my eyes, so it just looks kind of funny because it's more of a baby pink versus this kind of like corally pink. I mean, I think it's still really cute, and I think having more choices with outfits can help elongate any type of play, especially with kids, because you're less likely to get bored, I guess. but I'm gonna go with the cape for the most part. The good part is that a lot of this apparel can be used on other Build-A-Bear stuffed animals, so I might use it for something else, but super cute. $72 though is a lot. I did pay that same price for, I don't know if leafeon was that same price, but I know the Pokemon Pikachu 75th anniversary bundles were the same price. Each one of those were $72. So let's actually do a price breakdown, because you know Build-A-Bear shipping and the tax and all that definitely adds up. So I ordered this on Tuesday, which was the day that it was released. It was $72, and with shipping it was $15.75. I do believe I paid for slightly faster shipping. They have the standard shipping, which is always still expensive. It's always like $10, $12. $15.75 was because I did want this faster. I wanted to be like one of the first to get the video out, which didn't end up happening, but here we are in the new year with it, so that's fine with me. Taxes was $7.99, and that brings our grand total, this is so embarrassing, to $95.54. Yeah, that was not the cheapest, but collector's item is what I like to tell myself. So that was released on Tuesday. On Tuesday that night it was shipped, and the estimated arrival date was the 5th to the 7th, and I think I got it way before that. I got it on the 1st. So that express shipping was fast. Actually, was it standard? There was standard. I chose express, and then there was overnight shipping or whatever, like the super fast one. But yeah, there you have it. I do really like it. I think it's really cute. It's gonna look really nice once I have a proper way of displaying all my Build-A-Bears, which I'm not anywhere close to doing, but one day we will have it all and everything will be ready to go. So that being said, let me know if you're picking up Sylveon. What's your favorite Eevee evolution? I would love to know down below, and stay safe out there. Happy New Year, and until next time, bye.